Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps offline. So let's get right into it. Now to use them without internet, you're going to need to download your own maps, and that is sadly only available on mobile devices at the moment. You can't use it on PC, so I'll just be using this backdrop, the maps as a backdrop on my screen while I'm going to explain to you guys how you can download your own maps. Now on mobile, what you need to do is you need to access your menu, and you access it by tapping on your profile button in the top right. In this case, the menu is over here, but here there is no similar option to the one you need. Now to make you can use your maps to create your own maps, which you can use offline, but that is a completely different thing. On mobile, you can enter the menu and you'll have offline maps as an option, where you'll have the option to select your own map, and then you'll be given a frame in the middle of your screen. Of course, you can move the screen around, zoom in and zoom out to get the appropriate map size that you need. Of course, it'll take differing amounts of data. For example, if it's more zoomed out, it'll take more data if you're on your own mobile data plan. If you're on Wi-Fi, it doesn't really matter. And then once you select the frame, just click OK and confirm it, and then it'll start downloading the map. And once it's downloaded, whenever you don't have internet, you can use the downloaded map of the area that you've selected, and it'll work just fine. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.